Hey guys, welcome out to the Next Stop Wildlife Show Australia. I'm Wayne Caveman Keys. So walking through these parklands, just magnificent. There used to be so much of this Cumberland Plains around the western suburbs. Anywhere you'd go, just be the beautiful Cumberland Plains. So some of the last remaining Cumberland Plains, let's go and explore, see what we can find. And it's beautiful. It's got mad acacias everywhere, gums, beautiful casuarina or swamp she oak. So let's explore the beautiful Cumberland, eh?
Our first stop on the Cumberland Express brings us to the beautiful black-faced cuckoo shrike. Just in amongst all of these magic little wattles, acacias, grevilleas, and all sorts of little gums. Beautiful pattern on the back there. So yeah, you can see, gorgeous, he flies up into the gum tree there.
Here we go with the reptile master and the mini reptile master Cohen. Come on, mate. And got another red belly just down here. Not a bad red belly. Nice thick solid snake, eh, Paulie? And there he is, the reptile master, just taking a bit of footage. Yep, beautiful red belly. He's through for the day.
He's having a bit of a puff.
Yeah, out in the bushland of Australia. The beautiful red-bellied black snake. The reptile master sneaking in. Mad Paulie, beautiful. That's it. That's it, mate. And young Cohen, the mini reptile master, about to show you kids how it's done. How awesome's that, Cohen? Let's sneak in a little bit. Sneak in just a bit. You know, it might be hard to get a bit of a shot of this bloke, but red belly number 2 for the day. You can see him down there anyway. That's some footage, bit of safety footage. He's going to be tough to get any decent footage of, that's for sure. Okay, see what we can do though. The second red belly of the day, pure magic. This guy making his way through the grass. Beautiful little red belly. Number 2 for the day. Bit of good spotting there, hey Paulie?
I thought that was just like a piece of like a wave or something.
Yeah, that's it.
Slow movements.
Here we are, tiny little red belly. And there's the reptile master taking a picture of it. It's mad. And mini reptile master in the back, Cohen. Good spotting, mate. Absolute ripper. And there he is. That's how we do it. A little red belly. Okay. See what I can do here. See if I can get around.
Don't stop.
Get a bit of face. Tiny little red belly. You can see him here. I'll just try and give you an idea of how big he is. I'll stick my hand in there. There, see my hand just there. There's my hand right near him. So hopefully he doesn't get a hold of me. It just gives you an idea of how small this bloke is. You can see him, he's licking the air now. He might have a strike at me. Oh, he's turned back. Got me to flinch. I took my eye off him for a sec. Flushed me out a little bit. Yeah.
Get in the background.
Look at this bloke. How mad's that, Paulie? Out he comes. This little red belly. Look at him. He's ducking underneath there. And not much sun out, but you see, notice the smaller snakes are starting to come out. There's enough warmth for most of the small fellas. It looks like he's just going to settle down in there. Oh, look at him. He's having a look at me. Look at him. There he is. Sneaking a little bit. It's just down underneath, sort of tucked into the grass a little bit. See how close we can get to him. He's not too perturbed.
No, he's
alright. Hello, mate.
you sure like a
See a bit of action here. See a bit of action.
3 years old, right?
Oh, how
How old
mad's
is
that?
Caveman working with you.
How mad's that, mate?
Love his work.
Oh, beautiful little snake. One of the best little red bellies. Look how well behaved he is. It's unbelievable. Absolutely magic. That's just magnificent. How cool's that, Paulie? That's mad.
It doesn't get any better than that, mate.
First find
He's
him.
beautiful.
Good find there.
Oh, look at that.
Huh?
He's ready
He's
to-
having a bit of a look at old caveman's camera. He does. Hey, mate.
I know.
You can see his reflection in there probably, Paulie. He's probably thinking, what's this other red belly doing right in front of me? Well, I can't get much closer. It's a wonder he's not having a go. With my fingers tucked in a bit. Even a snake this size will make you nice and crook, won't it, Paulie?
Yep.
The reptile master and Cohen. What's spotting by Cohen? Absolute legend.
Lucky that didn't
Pull
bite
back a
me.
bit. Look at him. Yeah, right up close to this fella. We love it.
Within centimetres.
Yeah,
I can
beautiful.
see
Look at his little head bobbing up and down. Whoa.
he moves.
I don't know, he had a bit of a go at me. Here he comes straight at me. And as he comes straight towards me, look at him flipping through me feet there.
Where'd he go under?
Straight between me legs. So we're just showing these people the red belly black snake. And don't be scared, they can sense fear, folks. Can't they, Cohen? You reckon these guys are scared? Hey?
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, there. Here you can
Never shot him
see.
in like that, Wayne.
Oh, that's the skin.
Man.
Look at the caveman working with you. Love his work, mate. Love his work.
Beautiful little snake. And Cohen, what's spotting by Cohen? Absolute legend.
Lucky that didn't
Pull
bite
back a
me.
bit. Look at him. Yeah, right up close to this fella. We love it.
Within centimetres.
Yeah. It's a monster. See the bird having a swim on the other side? Oh no, it's not. It's a slider. My eyes are terrible, man.
Show us. Yeah, you can see the line on its neck, eh?
Yep, and you can see the red behind it. I'll get up closer.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
American, aren't they?
Yep. Yeah, Mexican American.
Turtle.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Here we go, another day down at the Narragansett Reserve, and straight away, beautiful red belly. Same guy as I filmed a couple of days ago, just out of brumation. Be out here looking for some frogs. Amazing specimen, and real good solid snake too. Not short of a feed. You can hear the frogs in the background down here. You can't see his belly here, but he's a red-bellied black snake. And we're down at Narragansett Reserve in New South Wales, Australia. You can see him just having a bit of a look, wondering what the caveman's doing here. What an absolutely beautiful specimen. So yeah,
well and truly alive. Beautiful snake. Oh yeah, try and get up a bit closer, get a little bit better footage close up. What an amazing snake. Just don't want to disturb him, he's just enjoying coming out of brumation. A lot of animals out here, beautiful. So yeah, amazing. And he likes hunting on those frogs, and you can hear so many frogs around this area. Nice and close to this guy, and now you can see why they call him the red-bellied black snake. But that'll get a lot more vibrant come the springtime. Beautiful. Yeah, loving this time of year. So many beautiful snakes and other reptiles coming out. Yeah, not a lot of sun, but they're making the most of the sun that's out. Like a big solar panel. These guys are amazing. The Cumberland Plains, absolutely beautiful. Check those beautiful eyes out. Hey guys, that was the last stop on the Cumberland Express. This beautiful, beautiful Wednesday, absolute bottler of a day, and look at this mad wattle behind me, how beautiful. Look at that wattle. So, if you enjoy the show, give us some subscribes and likes and comments. I'd really appreciate that, guys. So, till tomorrow, I'll see you guys on the next stop, eh? Have a good one, guys.